You haven't seen anything quite like this one. This gorgeous custom-built ranch on a walkout basement is nestled on 15.8 acres with picturesque rolling hill views. This open concept design houses 2 full kitchens and 2 living spaces, optimizing the space with functionality. There are 4 nice-sized bedrooms total with 3 full baths with space to unwind. The master bedroom has a terrace overlooking nothing but scenic landscape and wildlife as far as the eye can see. Heading into the lower level, you'll notice its one-of-a-kind stairwell with outstanding custom craftsmanship. The lower level also includes a full kitchen with granite countertops, a safe room, and additional laundry room. Every room of this home is filled with large windows, allowing tons of natural light and to capture the property's beauty no matter where you are. This home includes additional features such as a hide-a-vac system, reverse osmosis system, and a security system. This property offers open pastures and a historic bank barn, as well as another site with an existing well and septic for the possible addition of a future home or structure. There's so much to see between the beautiful home and sprawling property, so come and check out this unique offering. Call Kate Yanko to schedule a tour. You have to see this one for yourself.